It's month end again, you're pulling actuals out of your ERP, budgets out of your planning model, and lining them up manually in Excel, knowing full well that the variance analysis you'll create at the end of this will be questioned by the CFO. What if I tell you there's a better way? We've worked with over 1,500 finance teams, and the ones using Claude inside Excel correctly are finishing their monthly variance analysis in minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to build that variance analysis model in Excel with Claude so you can get the first week of every month back. Let's dive in. Now, to build a variance analysis model with AI, the first thing you need is all your financial data consolidated in one place that the AI can read it. For this example, we'll be using Claude alongside Datarails Finance OS because it connects to over 600 source systems such as your ERP, your planning model, your CRM, and your HRIS, pulling everything into one place. Once that connection is on, you prompt Claude in plain English to build a variance analysis model. Claude looks at your Finance OS data, sees which accounts and departments are in there, builds the model around them, and writes the Excel file directly. Now, the part that keeps this model live is the DR.GET formula, which Claude writes into every cell that pulls a number. Think of the DR.GET like a VLOOKUP, but instead of looking up a number in another sheet, it pulls the latest data directly from Finance OS. Each formula tells Excel exactly which account, scenario, and time period to pull from in your Finance OS data. So the cell is storing the formula instead of just a fixed number, which is what lets the workbook stay updated every month. At the end of the next month, all you do is click refresh, and every cell pulls in the latest number without rebuilding any part of the work. The structure stays the same, the tabs stay the same, and the formulas stay the same. The only thing that changes are the numbers themselves, so your team is producing the variance analysis from a fully built file every month from here on. If you want to see what this looks like with your team's actual data sources, just click the first link in the description and book a demo with us at Datarails. So once the model is built, you switch to Excel and use Claude in the side panel to explain each variance. Let's say it's the first week after month-end close. Revenue came in at $200,000 below budget, headcount costs are $30,000 over, and the CFO needs the reasons by Friday. Normally, that's where days of going through the data start, but with the workbook already built, you can ask Claude in the side panel to find the cause of each variance one at a time. The first place Claude goes is the customer view, because that's usually what tells us where the revenue variance comes from. For example, Claude might say the $200,000 revenue deficit is mostly from 2 enterprise deals in the Western region getting pushed to next quarter, which is $180,000 of the miss on its own. Then you can prepare the follow-up your CFO will definitely ask, like why those deals got pushed. Since your CRM data is already inside Finance OS, Claude can pull the activity history on those deals and explain why each one got pushed, whether it was renegotiated contracts, a delayed sign-off, or the prospects going with a competitor in the end. From there, you can also ask Claude to split the revenue variance by price, volume, and mix. Claude might come back with $120,000 of the miss coming from price and mix, and $80,000 from a volume shortfall, which means the explanation your team brings to the CFO is now specific to each cause, with $120,000 to address on pricing and product strategy, and $80,000 for the sales team to fix. Now, you can use the same approach on the headcount cost variance just by changing what you ask Claude to split it by. Claude might come back showing that $22,000 of overage came from 2 unplanned hires in the engineering department, and that $8,000 came from bonuses being higher than the budget. Now, your team has an actual explanation behind every line of the variance report, with each coming straight from Claude reading your data instead of your team guessing from incomplete information. And because every cell in the workbook is a DR.GET formula, every number in these explanations can be verified against your source data in Finance OS. That said, if someone in the meeting questions the $180,000 number on Western region deals, you right-click that cell and you drill down to your favorite breakdown to showcase where the difference actually comes from. So instead of spending the first week of every month getting to a number your CFO is still going to question, you're getting to the cause of every variance in minutes. This whole workflow only works if your financial data is already consolidated in one place that AI can read from, which is exactly why we built Finance OS like Datarails. So if you want to see how this would connect to your specific systems, click the first link in the description to book a demo with us. On the call, we'll show you how every one of your source systems connects to Finance OS and figure out where your team would get the most time back at month end. And if you want to make sure you're using AI the right way for finance, then check out this video next.